Hey Beauty Glam Sisters, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and hello to the new Beauty Glam Sisters. Welcome to my channel. My name is Danny MUA, and in today's video I'm going to do kind of a different thing. I'm going to do an unboxing slash new product that I bought that I'm going to try out for you guys on camera. And I'm going to create a look using the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar. I love this palette. And I'll mention them as I go throughout the video on what's new and what's not new. And I also got the new Morphe JACLYN Hill brush set that she came out with. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to create a look. I don't know what look, but I'm just going to create a look. Alright, so this is the Morphe brushes that came in the mail. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys. I'm going to use these scissors, which are my lash scissors. Came with this, which is the return thing, but I'm not returning them because I'm going to keep them. Ooh, and it has Morphe inside. These are the brushes. Alright, and it looks the same as the old one. I have the old one too. Let me see if I can show you guys. This is her favorite brushes, and this is her collection of brushes. So I do have both, but let's open this and see how they look. And then you just do this, and there they are. There are the brushes. Alright, so I'm going to prime my face with my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. It's like right here. So I'm going to have to get a new primer. And I think I'm going to buy the Tatcha one that Jeffree Star uses. I'm going to get that. Alright, so I'm going to do 3 pumps of this and then put it all over my face with my finger. And I'm going to do the same thing that I've been doing, which is doing one eye on camera and the other one off camera. It seems to work better when I do editing, so I'm gonna do that for you guys. And I'm also gonna use the NYX Shine Killer, and I'm gonna use that and focus that on my T-zone. I think I shine there too, but it's okay. Alrighty, now that we're primed and ready to go, I am going to use the Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Caramel. I'm going to use the JACLYN Hill JH03 as a foundation brush. And if I don't like it, I'm going to go in with my Morphe blending sponge. Okay, this is like, well, it oxidizes, so it's going to turn into my color. So, I see you. Come through. That's what JACLYN Hill says. She was saying that one of her friends kept saying, come through, come through. So I'm like, come through. I like the coverage. I'd say it's medium to full coverage. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge anyway, because it feels weird if I don't use it. It's a pretty finish. I like the finish. Alright, so next step is the concealer, which this one isn't honey. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I'm gonna use honey for the concealer. That's what the lady suggested. Maybe she was right. Looks good so far. And I use the JH08 to blend out the cream, which this is the Anything Creamy. It's kind of my skin tone, that's what it looks like. Well, it's kind of a natural concealer. Yeah, it went away. I'm gonna have to mix it with something else. So this is a must go back. It's not my shade. Alrighty, so that didn't work. So I'm gonna use my go-to Wet n Wild to highlight. Yep, this one works way better. You see it. I'm gonna blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. The Wet n Wild really worked really well. Yeah, Wet n Wild. But the foundation is a yes. I like the foundation. I like how it finished too. It doesn't look cakey. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the O2, which is a bronzer brush, and I'm gonna grab my Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna bronze off my face. I should have done eyes first, because just in case there's fallout. So I'm gonna contour with this Maybelline, the dark color. I'm gonna use the back of this and then put it on. Next step is powder. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier. Okay, so I'll let that sit for a little bit and then I'm going to wipe it off with JH01. I'm gonna put some under the eye because just in case I have a little bit of fallout with the Jeffree Star blood sugar, but I doubt it, but just to be on the safe side. And to prime my eyes, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm just gonna use my finger to blend it out. So I'm gonna use the JH32 for the crease, and I'm gonna go in with the color Prick, which is this one right here, or the transition color. Oh boy, it looks really pigmented on camera. And with this JH35, I'm gonna go in with the color Coma, and I'm just gonna go in the outer corner and the inner corner. Make sure you diffuse it so it can look a little blended, not so harsh. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab the JH32 and I'm gonna go in with Donor, which is that bright yellow or gold one right there, on the middle. With no Fix Plus, just bare. Then I'm gonna grab the JH35 to blend that out a little bit. And I'm gonna get the JH37 to blend the top a little bit more. Even though it's already blended, but just to be safe, so I don't want no harsh lines. Make it look like it's gone. It's gone. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the same JH35 and do the same thing that I did on top at the bottom. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of Coma. I'm gonna do the same thing in the inner. And I'm gonna grab that small brush again, which is the JH42, and go in with the gold and go right there. Like that. And I'm gonna go in with the one that has a little bit of pink, which is the JH32. I'm gonna go with the JH39 and I'm gonna go in with the color Glucose. Just that white one right there has the inner highlight. I'm just gonna stamp it on there. I'm gonna put a little bit on the brow bone too. I'm gonna blend it out right now too, so it looks harsh, but it won't be. I'm gonna grab that JH37 and blend that out so it won't look so harsh. Alright, I'll be off camera to do the other one and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I did the other eye, I'm going to do lashes, eyebrows, off camera, and also eyeliner. And I'm also going to put some of this glitter stuff right there on top. See how that turns out. And when I'm done, I'll be right back and you'll see the whole effect. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, there's the lashes. They're the Dodolashes in D119. And if you guys want to save some coins on the Dodolashes, I do have a coupon code. I will leave that coupon code at the bottom below so you guys could click on it and save some money. Alright, so for highlight, I'm going to go in with the JH09 and I'm going to grab the color Beam, which is that one right there. And the brush is not wet, so. There it goes. I was gonna do the liquid frost, but like, no, I'll change it up. Then do a thinner my nose. Alrighty, and to set the face, I'm gonna use the Morphe Continuous Matte Setting Mist. The fan. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe Vinyl. Much better. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, this completes the look. Alright, I'm gonna go put on gray contacts and see how it changes the whole look. And then I'll be right back. Alrighty, Beauty Glam sisters, this is the look with contacts on and they're like gray. What do y'all think? It does change the look a whole lot, dramatically. Like, I don't see myself like this. It's kind of like strange if I just see you. It's kind of scary too. But it's okay. So I'm gonna take these off and then I'll show you the brushes I use for the whole collection of the JACLYN Hill Morphe brushes. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I'm back. So I'm gonna give you a rundown of the brushes I used for this look, which were the JH03, the JH02, the JH10, the JH32, the JH101, the JH06, the JH37, the JH39, and last one is the J35. So I used all these brushes and I still have quite a few. I have this much left in the box. I used all these to create this look. Alright, Beauty Glam sisters, so if you guys like this look, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all of you Beauty Glam sisters that are supporting me on my journey. I really appreciate you guys. The numbers keep going up and it just keeps motivating me to make more videos for you guys. Alright, so I post videos every Wednesday for you guys. Alright, till next time, Beauty Glam sisters. See you next Wednesday. Bye.